Alrighty, here we go. Welcome back to the channel, folks. On today's ride, we're here in Turnbull Canyon once again. Bread and butter. There's gonna be like 4 of us here today. 3 mid-drives, and Rod is with us with a Surron. Every time a Surron goes on this ride, I always feel like I want a Surron again, because they just get away with a lot of things. Like, no one really gives you flack anymore. It was always my own mentality that's thinking that, you know, thinking that we get issues, thinking that people will stop us and look at us when we have a Surron. I sold my Surron because it's just heavy. It's a heavy bike, you know. It is something I could want to consider again. I'm using my BBSHD Santa Cruz frame, blur frame on today's ride. Let's get it. Woo. Alright, let's roll. Yeah, crystal flaked. So it's just us 4 boys here. Here we go. Oh, I haven't been here in a while. Oh, I miss this trail. Everyone's coming on along. Surron, and I met up with Mark up here, riding the Nireeka bike. Alrighty. Good, Tom? Here we go. Taking a little bit of a harder route here. Let's roll. And here's the drop. Is there... Get that breeze going, because it's pretty warm today. It's like close to 80. Close to 80 degrees. I should warn people. Sometimes there's tarantulas here. And snakes. Hell. What are they doing here? This used to be my turns. Oh my gosh, there's dogs here. Yo. Guardian dogs, guys. Do not disturb working livestock or guardian dogs. Goat grazing. What? It smells funky, but alright, more downhill. See you guys, they're doing their job. These guys are doing their job. Those guys, that's the first time we've ever seen it. I think this is why there's like gates up here. What's going on here, guys? Whoa. Those are cool guardian dogs. I love working class dogs. Just doing their jobs. Ain't mad at them. You guys go for it. I'll sweep. So it's flowy, single track. And just some berms. It is dry as F here today. Whew. Uh-oh. Crystal will not be riding with me as much anymore. And that's because she took on a graveyard shift. So her schedule is all funky. But she says she's happier at work that way. But then, it sucks because, again, it's losing time with us. Time with biking. Whew. Time with me biking. Alright, a little bit of uphill. I see you lowered your tire pressure.
What?
Did you ride anywhere else recently?
Just on pavement.
Oh, okay.
But not now. But they feel that area.
Downhill time. We're going towards the freeway for some jumps. So, Rod, they call this the freeway, which is the funnest part here. There's about 9 consecutive rollers or jumps. And we're gonna go about it maybe 3 or 4 times, depending on our battery and stuff. Send it here and there, but just, pre-ride it. You going first? All right. Well, send it number 2. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tail whip. Oh my gosh, I'm getting good at jumping. To your left. There's one more. Yes, sir. Whew. Yes, sir. Wow, we're flying today, guys. We're extra jumpy. Yeah, buddy. Everything good?
Yeah.
Super fun, right? Yeah, good stuff. I'm sure you got air, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did too. I saw it. Yeah, good stuff, man. We're climbing up the escalator here just so we could connect it to the freeway. We'll see how that goes. There's a little bit of exposure of the cliff, so just be careful of that. There's some you have to turn immediately after you jump, okay? Alrighty, here we go. Time to roll. Escalator time. Yes, sir. This is a sender. Woo! Nice rod. Got to see that one. All right. Now entering the freeway. Hello. There's 3 of us, 4 of us. Extra credit. Double jump. I'm rarely braking now. Becoming like Martin here. You. Alrighty, 3rd time. Send it. You. I'm gonna get the extra credit. Once you do the extra credit, you just want to keep getting the extra credit. That's a big drop. You. Get that jump, Mark. Oh my gosh. Whew. How was that, guys?
Fun to go with.
Yeah. Even climbing up here, if you go enough speed, you could just take a leap and have fun. It always feels like your bike is wheeling sometimes. Alright, let's film Rod. Alright, this is his 4th time here on a Surron. Yep. Take it. Take the extra credit. Nice. Nice jump there, Rod. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yo, nice. Nice pop there. Yeah, he's not only using the momentum, he's actually popping off. Compress. Whew. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Nice job. Yeah, you got the pop going on. And then this one is also a drop. Ah! Yo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're hitting up all of the secret extra credits in Turnbull area. Yeah. Whew. That's it. Hit up the wall ramps that you see. Yes, sir. So fun. What? One more wall ramp. Sorta, kinda. You. Ow. My leg definitely got scraped there. Look at that super hard hill right there on the right.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah.
You know what I asked them?
Yeah.
I go, hey, you want to do?
I think I have enough juice to do that. Let's all go up it, guys. I mean, I did it last time.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Yeah. All right, send it uphill. Let's roll. Kill all my juice. I got thick enough tires. Let's roll. All right, I got up it. Yeah, Tom. Okay, now we know our limits now. This is good information.
I got there exactly at 4. Grabbed the wheel. I didn't even look at it. Came home through the bike. Still rubbing the fender.
Oh.
So I found a bunch of loose spokes. So you buy cheap ones.
Oh, okay.
You just need something that works. You don't need something fancy and shit.
Got it.
Oh, man.
We are rolling down.
Right.
Let's roll, guys. Yes, peer pressure. That's the sunset. We're heading down. Here we go. Hello. We were talking about next week's ride trail, which is probably going to be Marshall Canyon. This ride is almost over. Almost, but let's hit up the drop right here. You. Sometimes there's peacocks here. Guess not today. Someone keeps them, huh, as pets?
I heard that San Pedro has them too.
Or Arcadia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Near the Huntington Library.
I'm gonna let you lead. You like this part. Alright. Fun time. This is like the ride as fast as you can time. As safe as possible though. They'll probably send it faster than I do. They go well about 35 miles per hour, but I'm just gonna stick around 30. But that's gonna be a wrap, folks. Thank you for tuning in on this e-bike adventure today. Yeah, these guys are sending it. My gosh. I'm riding with like sports bike riders. They literally have motorcycles. Whew, they're gone. Alright folks, like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on any e-bikes, including a Super73, an arielrider, or a DIY Bafang kit. Stay safe and amazing out there. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.